Lemonade. I was going to do a BTS track today and then I decided to do Lemonade. It was a late change. Don Toliver is singing the chorus and I just really wanted to give it a go. So I've got my nice UAD plugins here, so you should hear a change in my vocals now. Do I sound much different? Do I sound really different? Should be a little bit crisper, a little bit more compressed. It's got a little boost on it. Let's try it. All right, here we go. So I have the project open from the last week where we did Mood, and I also have the Disclosure one as well down at the start, Birthday, which is quite a track. Okay, so let's start it off. Here we go. We need to put a title in here. And we always start off with a title. Title's very important. Lemonade. And we got a color. Lemonade is yellow. Easy one to stay. Get rid of these things. Key, chords, BPM. Cool. I'm pretty sure I can find the keys, chords pretty quickly because it's a 4-chord trick. Let's find it using trumpets. No, that's not. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. I need to get a delay on that. Ice. Nice little quarter note delay. So, well, technically the key, if we're talking about keys, C sharp minor. Our chords, we're going with a C sharp minor. It goes down to a B major, G sharp minor, and then it ends up with an A major. BPM, all right. You know the drill. I'll find the BPM really quickly and I'll BRB.
12 seconds later.
So we have the BPM, great, 140. Okay, we have a guitar track from the last time, don't we? I had a guitar one and a guitar two. So let's actually just record straight into our guitar track from Mood that we did the last day. Let's see how it goes. All right, cool, guitar time. The first half was actually okay. I'll just keep that there just in case. Okay, we've got our guitar. That was intriguing. Yeah, okay, 808 next. There cannot be any other option. Hello, so post-recording Hugh here. We had a little issue and about the next 10 minutes of the recording got corrupted once again. Second time in a row. We're having really bad luck at the minute. I think it's my laptop struggling to work with all the CPU usage, but I will solve the problem. We'll get to it. Okay, so what we added in the short little section where we missed out on, we added the 808, kick and snare and the hi-hat as well. So let's run through them really quickly. So we had the 808 and it sounds like this on its own. And then goes down the octave. Cool, so pretty straightforward. It works really nice with the kick. So the kick is a count sample here from Splice, running along with it. And then we have the claps as well. I have 3 different claps just layering and I have them timed slightly differently. You can just about see there, I've timed them up. It'll just make your claps and snares sound a little bit thicker. So that's a cool idea, you can try yourself. And with those, it sounds like this. Probably could turn up those claps a little bit. What do you think? All right, it's never too late to mix more. And then we have the hi-hats here, pan them slightly to right, just as if you're facing a drummer, it'd play out to the left, or if you're facing them, it'll be out on your right. So that's the reason we pan it to slightly to the right and gives you kind of idea what it would sound like in real life. Cool, and I have sausage fattener on that, just making it a little bit thicker, taking out some low frequencies. And I have one bus, which is just trying to make the hi-hats sit around your head a little bit more, make them a little bit more present. Cool. I love that stop there. The stop is so cool, so genius. Just nothing like silence. As Mozart once said, music is not the notes, but the silence in between. Or something like that. At least that's what I've heard anyway. Okay, cool. So that's pretty much all you've missed. And while I have your attention, if you want to hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps the channel out. You can see lots more videos like this. And I also stream over on Twitch on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So check me out there. Links to all that down below. Cheers. All right, now let's get back into it. Cool. Let's throw in some impacts, risers, then vocals, and we should be good. Here we go. Let's drag these across from before. Got some white noise risers. Got some impacts from Cymatics bundle and a swell. There you go. Cool. I want to try today singing in with the pitch corrector. I just want to see what it sounds like. Let's give it a go. Could be fun. So this is a UAD plugin. Lemonade, my name was tripping. Ice. Let's give it a go. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. That's gonna annoy everyone in my house, but I think it sounded good. Let's see if I can do the same again and just record it in without the pitch corrector, because it sounds really great when I'm recording it, and then afterward the tuning is a bit of a mess. So let's just put the pitch corrector on, and then it will be E major. Maybe we can have that guy as like a double. Let's try that again. Sorry to everyone in the house. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Hey. The haze are so funny. Oopsie. I'll leave that for the ad-libs at the end, I think. Oops. Let's sing it down the octave. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, man. I messed up that second. I'm so bad. 1 second. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Sweet. Let's try and do the whispers. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. And then the other side. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Let me just fix some of those notes as well. Let me just check the tuning here. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Perfect. Cool. Starting to get there. Bit of mixing and we're good to go. That single note delay is so sick. Ice, ice. Let's throw in some ad-libs. Let's do it. Let me just sing the delay words and we'll put like reverb on these. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. Ice, ice, lemonade. Cool. Take out the low end a little bit more. Be careful with those 500s. Some of the high sibilants are the things I'm always worried about. Muddy low mids. And lots of sibilants in the high frequencies above 4K, 5K. Let's try some of that nice sound toys. No, sound toys. Yes, it is sound toys. Decapitator. Excuse me. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Cool. Sick. I love those vocals. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Here's my cover of Lemonade. The catchy chorus is just so good. I love it so much. Once again, we're seeing just where sometimes simplicity, but beautiful melodies that are just simple, just hitting lovely notes and great vocals make such a difference. It's so good. All right, let's have a listen to the full thing. It'd be rude not to. Here we go. Here we go. Off the juice, codeine got me tripping. Got the coupe, woke up, roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. So here's my cover of what's it called again? Nice.